In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combo with Bandit in Project Smash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be giving you 3 Bandit combos that you can try to use to improve your skills. So for the first combo, you will start with 3 M1s into your first ability, which is Double Trouble, alternating between your revolver and shotgun. Next, you do 1 M1 and then you change again using your first ability. Then you do 3 M1s followed by a hip fire, followed by 3 M1s, followed by quick draw, 3 M1s, you change one last time into 1 M1, and finally you end with dynamite. So once again, you start with 3 M1s, you switch by using double trouble, you do 1 M1, you switch by using double trouble again into 3 M1s, into hip fire, 3 M1s, quick draw, into hip fire, into 1 M1, and then finish off with dynamite. So this combo is very fast paced and you will switch between your revolver and shotgun quite often. Next, you have this other combo. You start by doing 3 M1s into hip fire, so your 2, 3 M1s into double treble, which is your 1, into 1 M1, into quick draw, which is your 3, 2 M1s, into double treble, your 1, and finally 2 M1s. So this combo is going to be a little bit more different. You still have 2 times where you use double treble, but it might not be as confusing as the first one. So finally, for the last combo, you start in shotgun mode, and keep in mind that this combo is going to be untrue after quick draw. For this last combo, where you start with shotgun, you will be able to do 1 M1s into double treble, so your 1, 3 M1s, into hip fire, which is your 2, 3 M1s, double treble, which is your 1, into 1 M1, into quick draw, 2 M1s, 4, 1, 2, and then finish off with 2 M1s. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo with Bandit in Project Smash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.